What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I sugar my clients' underarms. So first what I did was wipe her off with pre-cleanse and then add some powder. This just helps with, you know, moisture and sweat and stuff like that. A little bit about sugaring. It is made with 3 ingredients. It's all natural: sugar, lemon, and water. Some of the benefits are it exfoliates the skin. It's better for people with sensitive skin. It is not hot, so there's no chance of you getting burned, and it doesn't adhere to live skin cells, so there's no chance of your skin lifting. If your skin does lift, that's probably because of the medication you take or some type of product you use that thins out your skin. With sugaring, you apply it in the opposite direction of the hair growth and remove it in the direction of the hair growth. So that's what I'm doing here.
If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is trouble in your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna be. I wanna give our love wings. You're not letting me, get through to you. Yeah, if you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do.
So now I'm just cleaning up any little small hairs that I may see that I'll try to get out. This client did shave about a week and a half ago, so there's still some hairs that might be a little short. So I'm just going to try to get those out, and after I'm done, I'm just going to wipe her off and apply some aftercare. Yeah, that'll be it. So if you'd like to see more videos like this, I do Brazilians, but I'm definitely not going to show that. But if you want to see more sugaring videos like chin, upper lip, or eyebrows or something like that, or another underarm, just let me know. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye.